how to turn off camera shutter sound setting on iPhone. So to do this, what you're going to do is you're just going to head over to your camera. Now, once you are in your camera, just come up here where it shows you this and turn it on. Yes, this turns the live mode on, but it also removes the shutter sound on your camera. So as you can see, let me show you like this. So right there, it gave me the shutter sound, but if I turn it on, it does not give me a shutter sound. So just turn your live on and it will turn the shutter sound off for your iPhone. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.